Hello, my dear students. In the first part, we started our new chapter. In last session, only one point is remaining. That means organization of hospital. Before that, we take a small recap of hospital chapter. First of all, definition. Hospital means what? Organization of specific equipments and functioning through a group of trained people educated for modern medical science and maintenance of good health. Then classification of hospital. Hospital classified into four groups. First one, clinical basis classification, then non-clinical basis classification, then on the basis of size, and last one on the basis of cost. First one, clinical basis classification. First on the basis of major disease. In that example, we now added a corona hospital also, then psychiatric hospital or mental hospital, TB hospital, leprosy hospital, cancer hospital. Then second one, on the basis of their anatomy, physiological specialization. Ear, nose and throat hospital, that means ENT hospital, orthopedic hospital, eye hospital, kidney hospital. In that also added cardiac hospital. Then third one, on the basis of their client group, pediatric hospital for children, gynecological hospitals for women, maternity hospital for mothers. On the basis of systems of medicines, allopathic hospital, Ayurvedic hospital, homeopathic hospital, Unani, nature care center and physiotherapy center. Then second class, non-clinical basis classification, and another name is on the basis of ownership. In that first one, government or public. Central government hospital, in that example railway hospital, defense hospital. State government hospital, civil hospital, JJ hospital. Local self-government hospital, BMC hospitals. In that second subpoint, non-government or private. In that trust, Jaslok Hospital, Mumbai and Mumbai Hospital, Mumbai. Then second, limited companies, Apollo Hospital, and third one, religious bodies or others, Ramakrishna Hospital, Shri Santa Sai Baba Hospital in Shirdi. Then third one, on the basis of size. In that first one, large hospital, bed capacity more than 1000. In medium hospital, bed capacity 500 to 1000. Small hospital, bed capacity 100 to 500. And in that very small hospital, bed capacity less than 100. Then last one, on the basis of cost. In that first, elite hospital or 5-star hospital, and second one, budget hospital. Example is civil hospital. Then now let's see the functions of hospital. The main function of hospital is the patient care. Then second one is public health. Then third one is medical research. Fourth one is educational training. And last one is counseling and patient advice. Then we see the organization of hospital. Organization means what? A dynamic process in which various managerial activities bring people together and bind together for the achievement of common objectives or common goals. For the hospital goals, organization is very important for the hospital. Then now let's see the second. The most important body of any hospital is a governing body or a board of director or board of trust. The governing body is responsible for the farming of all the major policies, plans and programs of any hospital. Governing body appoints a hospital administrator to get the various functions performed like clinical service, nursing service, pharmacy service, etc. The topmost management of hospital responsible for its overall policies and control is constituted by the governing board and the administrator. The administrator is the chief executive of the hospital and may be designated as director also. The head of individual service are administratively responsible to the administrator. A typical organization chart is given as follows. A typical organization of hospital, the main body is governing body or board of trust. In that they divide into two parts. First one is committee and second one is hospital administrator. In that committee, added executive, finance, development and public relation. In hospital administrator, clinical service, administrative service, ambulatory service, nursing service and pharmacy service. In that clinical service added doctors. In administrative service, in that added administrative servant, and in that ambulatory service added the emergency servant, nursing service added the nurse, and last one pharmacy service. So here our first chapter hospital is over. Thank you.